Day in and day out, I get the opportunity to work with the directors of the nonprofits that the High Country United Way determines we can allot money to run programs that will really help our citizens. And because of that, I have this opportunity to learn firsthand some of the stories that are out there in Avery and Watauga County of real needs.
Western Youth Network is a 30-year-old entity this year, and we exist to give youth the skills, safety, and support they need to become thriving young adults. We also make sure that they have the support of mentors and positive adults that they need.
It's been very helpful for her to have someone that she can talk to. Being a single dad made it a little difficult to relate to all the things that girls have to deal with, and having someone that can talk to her, or I can say, hey, you know, maybe you can help her understand the homework issues and things that need to be done and how to approach those things.
I went from really low grades to A plus, 2 A pluses, a B minus.
Mountain Alliance is in the business of having a positive impact in the lives of youth in our community. We take youth in groups with their peers and give them real and challenging experiences that hopefully promote leadership and positive characteristics in them.
We provide mediation conflict resolution services for the court system, for private citizens that need to come in, for juvenile justice. We also operate a drug treatment court program in Avery and Watauga counties, and which is a post-sentence structured treatment program for people who are on probation who are trying to turn their lives around.
Yellow Mountain Enterprises is a really important service for adults who have intellectual and developmental disabilities, because they're adults and they want to work, they want to be useful, they want a job. And that's really our mission, just to give these adults who have very special skills, very unique skills, jobs that they can do and earn a paycheck. It's very simple.
Parent-to-Parent Family Support Network is a program that provides support and connections to families who have children with special needs and differing abilities. So it could be physical, emotional, it could be intellectual, it could be a family as a premature baby, and a small number of families who had the death of their child.
So Parent to Parent was able to really link me to different community resources that I didn't have to seek off of the mountain. And when I say off of the mountain, I'm talking about an hour and a half away. For a parent with special needs children, I have a son with autism and a son that is deaf in his right ear. And that was really important to us to find out what services are available in our community.
WAMI Community Action is an agency that's been working in the High Country for 51 years, providing services to folks to help them get out of poverty, become self-sufficient, and live better lives. A couple of the programs that are the most important that United Way help us with is our Total Family Development Program. We work with a lot of single parents, people who are going back to school and trying to find jobs. They also help us with a gardening program, providing gardens to the low-income elderly, and an after-school program in Avery County.
I actually personally benefited from WAMI Community Action's Total Family Development Program. I was enrolled at Caldwell Community College to get my associate's degree in office administration. I now currently work at WAMI.
In 1978, a group of concerned citizens came together and were recognizing a need for crisis intervention services for either victims of domestic violence or sexual assault.
Since becoming involved with High Country United Way as a board member, has really opened my eyes to a lot of need. I thought I knew Watauga and Avery County, but really learned how much I didn't know. The things we provide and assist with are critical, and they're things that I really didn't know that the need was there, or that services were provided for these type things.
As a social services director, I believe we do a good job serving those in need in a short-term way. What I enjoy about being on the High Country United Way is I believe that we're more focused on long-term solutions. I believe that we're looking at our community to strengthen it. Strong communities make strong individuals.
What excited me about getting involved with High Country United Way was the passion that this organization has for caring for the needs of the people in our community. You know, in my job is public health, and I look at needs on data, on paper, and really what this organization is trying to do is link all the resources that we have in the High Country to try to meet those needs, whether it be income, education, health, hunger. All of the needs that we have in our community are very important. And giving to United Way is giving to the whole person. It's giving to a community who surrounds our people that love and care and treat our neighbors like we want to be treated. And that's why I'm part of United Way.